really bad at holding these things. Clamps here, and now we're just watching the voltage, and it's looking pretty stable. I think that's pretty stable. I don't know, let me know. Yeah, so that looks pretty stable. So now again, we can do our light test. So we cover up our light sensor. So when we play elevator music, there's the light sensor has acknowledged that there's no light. Now we wait. See our voltage. I'm still depriving it of light. Indeed, you can see the voltage drop way off. It worked. Yeah, man, it worked. Okay, so now let's bring it back to life. Coming back to life should only take 10 seconds. And yes. See the blue light, see that, because I covered, oh, that's good, okay.